Page 33, this is a theme from Sonata. One of the sonatas I studied in college. It's really pretty. It's a theme and variations. You can go listen to the whole thing if you want. It's very nice. Okay, well, let's just look it over. 2 lines long, treble bass clef, 3 sharps. So we are in the key of A major. Ends on an A chord, yeah. 6/8 time, okay. 8th note gets a count. So at the beginning, 1, the dot comes on beat 2. The next 8th note comes on beat 3. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. So that's all it is. To make sure I got the melody. Measure 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and. See, the 16th note gets half a count. So make sure I got the melody. And then they want to harmonize with this. Well, then this is going to be fun. Let's start out with an A major chord somewhere. And then you go to an E7 chord. Well, an E. And they want the G sharp on the bottom, so put the E on the top. You don't have to use all the notes. Generally, we don't. We would leave out the B and just do that. So we would have from the A to the here. Generally the pattern we'd use. I'm going to come down here. And then they want an F sharp minor chord, which is here. It's a minor third and a major third. Makes it a minor triad here. F sharp minor, root position, and then the E7 with the G sharp at the bottom again. It's the same that we just did. And then an A major, and then an E7 G sharp minor. So each time you get this E7 G sharp minor, it's a 5/7 chord. And a lot of this is just going back between these 2 chords. Then I'll put it together with melody. It's here. Okay. F sharp minor here. And an E7. Doesn't sound quite right, but it resolves. That's what you're after. And going on. Yeah, that's really what it is. So really there's only 3 chords used. The A, and the E7, and then the F sharp minor. And the actual sonata, they use the broken chords. Exactly those notes, but generally it's like a broken chord in the theme, and then the variations go crazy with all kinds of stuff.